Welcome back, art enthusiasts. Leonardo da Vinci, one of the greatest artists of the Italian Renaissance, left an indelible mark on the world with his breathtaking works of art. Among his many masterpieces, The Last Supper stands as a testament to his genius and artistic vision. In this video essay, we will delve into the historical context, composition, techniques, historical significance, conservation efforts, and enduring impact of this iconic artwork. To truly appreciate The Last Supper, we must first understand the cultural, artistic, and political climate of 15th-century Italy. This was a period of great intellectual and artistic flourishing known as the Renaissance. The patronage system, with the church playing a prominent role, provided opportunities for artists to showcase their skills. It was during this time that Da Vinci received the commission for The Last Supper, intended for the Dominican convent of Santa Maria delle Grazie in Milan. The Last Supper is a monumental mural that measures approximately 15 by 29 feet, covering an entire wall of the convent's dining hall. Da Vinci employed various innovative techniques and meticulous attention to detail in its creation. His mastery of sfumato, a technique that creates a subtle blending of colors and tones, is evident in the painting's atmospheric perspective. The composition, with its vanishing point at Christ's head, draws the viewer's gaze to the central figure. Each character's gestures and expressions contribute to the narrative, conveying a range of emotions and individual personalities. The Last Supper depicts the final meal shared by Jesus Christ and his disciples before his crucifixion. This subject matter holds deep cultural and religious significance in Christian art. However, Da Vinci's interpretation deviates from traditional portrayals. Rather than a static representation, he captures a specific moment of intense emotion, revealing his profound understanding of human psychology. This departure from convention sparked intrigue and debate among viewers, making it an instant sensation. Preserving The Last Supper has been a monumental challenge due to its fragile medium and environmental factors. Over the centuries, the mural has faced numerous threats, including war, humidity, and amateur restoration attempts. Notably, during World War II, the building housing the mural was bombed, but the painting miraculously survived. Various restoration efforts have been made, including controversial techniques, with the aim of maintaining the artwork's original brilliance and depth. Today, ongoing preservation efforts ensure that future generations can appreciate Da Vinci's masterpiece. The Last Supper has had an immense impact on the world of art and popular culture. Its revolutionary composition and narrative storytelling techniques influenced contemporaneous artists and propelled the Renaissance art movement forward. Da Vinci's innovative use of perspective, the realistic portrayal of human emotion, and the careful arrangement of figures left an indelible mark on subsequent generations of painters. Furthermore, the painting's universal themes and enduring symbolism have made it a subject of fascination and inspiration in literature, film, and various other forms of media. Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper remains an awe-inspiring testament to his artistic brilliance. Its historical significance, innovative composition, and meticulous technique have captivated audiences for centuries. The ongoing efforts to preserve this fragile masterpiece ensure that it continues to inspire and enrich the lives of viewers around the world. As we delve into the intricacies and impact of The Last Supper, we are reminded of the timeless power of art to transcend time, culture, and generations. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe for more.